Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add music to WhatsApp status. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are basically two methods by which you can do this. First method is using Instagram app. Start by opening Instagram and scroll up and tap on this plus icon. From here, upload the photo or video you want to add music to. In this example, you can select a video that you've already recorded. Once your photo or video is selected, tap on the music icon at the right side of your screen. You can swipe through the available songs or use the search bar to find a specific track you like. This part is very straightforward, and you can easily preview and select the music you want to use for your video. After adding the music, the next step is to save the video to your phone's gallery. Tap on this arrow and then select Download option. Wait a few seconds while Instagram saves the video to your photo gallery. Now open WhatsApp and create a new status by tapping the Status option. Upload the video you just saved from Instagram and post it as your WhatsApp status. Anyone who views your status will be able to hear the music you added to the video. The second method is to use the WhatsApp app itself. With recent updates, WhatsApp now allows you to add music directly within the app. What you have to do is simply go to the status section and tap on it, then upload the video to which you want to add music. Once the video is uploaded, simply tap on the music icon. Here you can search for any music you want to add to your video. After selecting the music, you can easily send your status, and as you can see, your status will be updated with the music added. And that's it. So that is how you can add music to WhatsApp status. So that's all for this video. Thanks.